We're in Riverside Park today. It's a beautiful fall day in Canmore, and we're going to go see our listing on 6th Street. This is a townhome with 3 bedrooms, a single car garage, and it's close to restaurants and Main Street Canmore, close to Riverside Park, which is on the banks of the Bow River, in the heart of downtown Canmore. So let's go take a look. So just before we go inside this house, I want to let you know we've had it professionally staged, and it really gives a great sense of the space of the home compared to the previous video we do, which we'll link to in the comments. I'd love to know what your thoughts are when you've seen this video compared to the last one. Let's go inside now and take a look. So as soon as you enter this home, you can just see the quality of the build. It was built by Elk Run Homes, a renowned builder in Canmore. They do a lot of fourplexes in the South Canmore area, and they have some incredible traits that they put into their properties, one of which is an open tread fir staircase, the cherry hardwood floors, as well as the timber frame accents in the ceiling. So this is a perfect living room for relaxing. It's actually an open floor plan. So as soon as you come up those stairs, you come through the dining room and into this cozy living space. We've got a Rundle Rock gas fireplace with a fir mantle. And then these beautiful view windows. They're so large. We've got great views of Rundle Mountain just off to my right. One of the great things that Elk Run Homes did when they built this floor plan was, one, they put in a wine fridge just here, which is perfect because you can reach it from your dining room table when you're having friends over. And then they put in these amazing entertainment kitchens. So we've got this huge kitchen island with eating bar where people can hang out for an evening when you've got friends or family up and you're preparing dinner. We've got a 5-burner 36-inch gas stove just off to my right. And then the creme de la creme, this huge double-door fridge freezer. One of the biggest ones I've ever seen in Canmore. So just off the dining room, we've got access to this west-facing deck. Right now, this large tree is just turning color. It's beautiful. And we've also got great views of Lady Macdonald just behind me and Rundle Mountain just off to the right. So that mountain theme continues up from the main floor to this second level, where we've got 2 bedrooms, the primary suite with an ensuite washroom, as well as the bedroom behind me with another ensuite washroom. And we've got solid fir doors, we've got cherry hardwood floors, and then we've even got the laundry room on this level too, so you don't have to cut your clothes very far from your bedroom, and you've got the slate floor in this laundry room as well. So the entry level, we've got this beautiful, wide, spacious entry level as soon as you walk into the house. Off of this entry level, we have the oversized single car garage, and then the 3rd bedroom, which could also be an office or a home gym. And then just a few steps up from the entry level before you get to the main level, we have a 3-piece bathroom. If you have any questions or you want any more information about this property, my contact information is just below. And please don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some great videos coming for you in the next few weeks.